Hey, are you getting ready to begin your journey here at LaSalle, but starting from home? Even better. Here at LaSalle, we have a dedicated office designed to support your success from day one to graduation. This office has two professional staff members and a number of peer leaders called commuter coaches who will be your support resources this coming fall and throughout your experience here. Our coaches are upper class commuters who all had similar nervousness or hesitation as they prepared to embark on their exploration here. They design a number of amazing programs and opportunities for our first year students. Examples include curated workshops around time management, stress relief, and study strategies to ensure that you're building the right habits from the get go. In addition, the office is responsible for the maintenance and amenities of our commuter-friendly spaces, located in the student union on the first floor and the lower level. They include quiet areas for resting and studying, refrigerators, microwaves, and other furniture to host a group project or just hang out with your friends. In addition, starting this year, the lower level commuter lounge will serve as only one of two satellite locations for the basket, providing perishable and non-perishable food items for those students in need. When you're not lounging in a lounge or participating in a program, you can get involved with a number of different student organizations, including the Commuter and Off-Campus Student Association. They're the advocacy organization that enhances your student experience. Some of their major accomplishments include hosting town halls, reduced parking fees for commuters, and events that help to build commuter community. One of their most celebrated events is the Thanksgiving luncheon, where we invited all of our commuter students to a buffet-style lunch right before break to celebrate our many differences and what we're thankful for. I would strongly encourage you to get involved or at least come and join a number of wonderful opportunities that LaSalle has to offer our commuter students. LaSalle is a community for all. If you don't see something that you really want, come visit our office anytime and we can explore together. Go Explorers.